everyone, it's Jessica and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be making this delicious mango cheesecake. It's a no-bake recipe, so kahit wala tayong oven or pag medyo tinatamad tayong mag-bake, pwede pa rin natin siyang gawin. Cheesecake is my ultimate favorite dessert, but sometimes I still find it too rich or too heavy, especially after a meal. So what's great about this recipe is that it still has all that cheesecake goodness in it, minus the heaviness, so hindi siya nakakaumay. It's light, it's creamy, and super dali lang din yung gawin. So yeah, let's get started. So for our cheesecake base, we're gonna need 75 grams of graham crackers. Mas better if you can find graham crumbs. You can also use digestive biscuits or butter cookies as well. Then 10 grams of sugar and 50 ml of melted butter. If you already have graham crumbs, go ahead and skip this step. Otherwise, if you have a food processor, go ahead and use that. This will make everything easier. If wala naman, okay lang din. You can just slide them into a bag and smash it with a rolling pin or a pan or something. And once you have fine crumbs like this, just combine everything together and press it down your cake mold. Then we're gonna stick this in the freezer for about 10 to 20 minutes habang ginagawa natin yung cheesecake filling. So for the cheesecake filling, we're gonna need 250 grams of cream cheese, 75 grams of sugar, 3 gelatin sheets, 20 ml of mango puree, and 300 ml of whipping cream. We will start by blooming our gelatin. So kahit gelatin powder pa yung gagamitin nyo, kailangan talaga siyang binababad muna sa cold water para lumambot siya and later on mas madali siyang matutunaw. So pag gelatin sheets, as long as fully covered siya and hiniwalay-hiwalay nyo, okay na yun. If gelatin powder naman, you need to soak it in at least 6 times its weight. Then you can start whipping your cream, but we don't want it too stiff, so soft peaks lang. Make sure your cream cheese is soft and it's lump-free. You can do this with a machine or you can just do this by scraping it to the side of the bowl. Combine the puree and the sugar together and heat it just until the sugar is melted. Then we're gonna use this to melt the gelatin. Little by little, add your puree to the cream cheese. Dapat talaga dahan-dahan lang para hindi magbuo-buo yung cream cheese nyo. Take your whipped cream and gently fold it with your cream cheese mixture. I always only start with half para pag medyo runny yung mix natin, I can whip the remaining half a little bit more para mas stable yung filling. Take your cake mold, pour your filling, and let this chill in the fridge or the freezer para mas madali. For at least mga 30 minutes pag sa freezer siguro. Pag medyo set na yung cheesecake, take 60 ml of mango puree, 15 grams of sugar, and 45 ml of water. Then same thing like what we did earlier, we're gonna heat this up until the sugar is all melted. Tapos we're gonna use this to melt our bloom gelatin. So kailangan bloomed ha. And also, don't heat this up too much or palamigin nyo muna ng konti para pag binuhos natin on top, hindi matutunaw yung cheesecake. Then, let it set in the fridge or sa freezer para mas mabilis. And that's it! So once it's set, all that's left to do is unmolding and decorating the cake. In a professional kitchen, we use one of these torches to unmold the cake. If you don't have one, you can just grab a towel, soak it in hot water, wrap it around the ring for a little bit, and then gently slide it off. And there you have it, your easy, delicious, no-bake cheesecake. I hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as I did. Let me know what you think about this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye!